objective today is to classify changes of matter as physical or chemical. So obviously we're going to be talking about physical and chemical changes. First we come to the question, what exactly are physical and chemical changes?
Well, by our lovely overweight chemistry book's definition, a physical change is a change in a substance that does not involve a change in the identity of a substance. Come again, say what? Basically, it's a change in the physical appearance of an object. The confusing definition of a chemical change, thanks to our ever-present chemistry textbook, is a change in which one or more substances are converted into different substances. In English, this means when something turns into something different. Easy, right? Let's look at a couple examples.
An example of a chemical change is baking beautiful, delicious brownies. Please wait while we finish making them. Why is this a chemical change? Let's go back to the whiteboard. A chemical change is something that cannot be reversed. Basically, you can't unbake a brownie. A corresponding physical change is cutting up those beautiful, delicious brownies with a knife. Yes, with a knife. Precaution, do not stab anything but the brownies. Why is this a physical change? Well, let's go back and see what our handy-dandy whiteboard claims. A physical change changes the appearance of something and can be reversed. The brownies are still brownies even if you slice them. They don't change into red goo or anything. And if you, for some reason, really wanted to put a brownie back together, you could stick all the pieces back.
Another chemical reaction is burning paper. Be sure you have adult permission before you set your house on fire. The reason for this is pretty simple. A pile of ash does not turn into paper. A physical reaction is shredding paper. Make sure you're not shredding tomorrow's homework when you do so. Reason, shredded paper is still paper. And you can put it back together with a whole lot of Scotch tape if you do happen to shred tomorrow's homework.
Photosynthesis allows plants to turn water, sunlight, and air into sugar. I don't know what you think, but I'm pretty sure you can't crush sugar back into sunlight. Type of change? Chemical. However, growing grass is a physical change. Tall grass is still grass after all.
Changes in state of matter are always physical changes like steam, water, and, you guessed it, ice. A+. If you haven't yet caught on, you can melt ice into water, freeze water into ice, boil water for steam, etc., etc. Water in a different form is still water. But making tea is a chemical change. You can't unbrew tea. Dissolving sugar in tea, however, is quite reversible.
You've probably caught on by now and are staring bored at the screen or maybe even falling asleep. Still, for those who haven't quite gotten the hang of it, here's one more example. Rusting metal via oxidation is chemical. Oxidation forms a new substance out of iron and oxygen, thereby rust. Jumping on a trampoline, falling off, and breaking an arm is physical. A broken arm can heal, although I would advise against breaking one. Moral of the story, don't fall off trampolines.
Hopefully you now have a full understanding of physical and chemical changes. If not, at least you've gotten a few more minutes of sleep. Enjoy the rest of your chemical life and remember not to shred tomorrow's homework.
Our objective today is classify changes of matter as chemical or physical. Physical or... Oh my god. Just stop it. They don't turn into red goo or anything. And if you, for some reason, really wanted to put a brownie back together, you could stick all the pieces back. Crap.
You just said crap.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so just start at a corresponding physical and then just keep going really fast because the...
Oh crap, it's recording. Oh, stop.